I dream about short hair and my dream come true. My hair is short. My mommy cut it because I love short hair just like my mommy.
Show them your hair. This is your hair.
This is my hair. This is my hair. This is and all I want to do. All this time I'm waiting for my hair to be short and now my
Your hair is finally short.
my hair is finally short. I'm so happy, Mommy. Thank you.
Wait, don't move. Ayusin ko natin.
What are you doing, Mommy?
Wala. Isip ko naman yung cut kasi hindi pantay.
Okay.
And trust me.
I trust you, Mommy. I was always gonna wait for this. Now
You've been waiting for this.
yes, I've been waiting for this. Now this day, you just got my hair. Magugulat si Ma'am Sinyan pagka binidyo call natin. Sabihin, nasan yung kalahati ng buhok mo, darling? Nasan yung kalahati ng buhok mo? Ginupit ni Mami. Bakit ko napit niya? Eh, gusto ko mag-shirt eh. Tapos sasabihin ko kay Ma'am Si, I'm so happy, Mommy.
Don't move too much, okay? Masyado malito.
Okay. All this excitement. Ang lamig. Are you gonna dye my hair?
No? Just need the video.
Oh. I thought you were going to dye my hair. Oh, so it will be wet. Mommy, first time mo ba mag-ano ng anak mo, Mommy?
No, first time ko tagupitan ng short.
First time mo lang po.
No.
I'm a short girl. Yeah. Mommy always. Are you making me a boy?
No, you're making me more beautiful and young.
Magugulat yung mga kaklase ko niyan. Magugulat yung mga kaklase ko niyan.
Oh, short hair now. Sabihin nila, no?
Sabihin nila, Lian, dati naman mahaba yung buhok mo. Tapos ngayon, maikli na.
Sabihin nila, for a change.
For a change, you
It's a
know.
good change.
Duh. Tapos sabi ni Maria, kasi
Don't move anak too much.
si Maria, favorite niya magkaroon ng mahabang buhok. Tapos, ako naman, favorite kong maging maiksi yung buhok ko. Now, Maria is gonna look like me. Maria is gonna...
Same na kayo ng friend mo ng hair.
Eh, ma'am, sa akin, medyo maikli.
It's okay. Kasi haba pa naman yan, di ba?
Lalat day! Mami, okay lang yung kanina. Sabihin ni Mama, bakit naging maikli yung buhok mo? Ha? Siyempre na. Ginupitan ng nanay ko. Magagalit kayo si Mama.
She will be happy because she knows it's your dream, right?
Yeah. Di ko pa sabi kay mama na ano,
Alam mo, siguro mamaya habang natutulog tayo, tapos tatouch ka namin. Tapos, ay, oo nga pala, short hair ka na nga pala. Sasabihin ko, makakalimutan ko yun. Tapos magtataka ako, bakit short hair ka na? Huwag ka mo mag-move.
tapos, tapos yung pala, ginupitan yung pala yung buhok ko.
Don't move, stop mo yung paa mo. Sit properly.
This is all I want to be, like you, Mommy. Mommy, alam mo kung bakit gusto ko maging short ng buhok ko? Kagaya sa'yo. Kasi ang tagal mo humaba ng buhok mo. Hinihintay
Ngayon,
ko.
sabay na tayo magpapahaba ng buhok.
Yes.
Don't move, anak.
Medyo matagal yung haba ng
Anak,
buhok.
stop moving. Pwede ba yun?
Okay, Mommy.
Para pantay natin ngayon.
Magugulat si Mama pag uwi
So,
ko.
surprise natin siya.
Mami, kung i-cover kaya muna natin yung buhok ko, tapos pag tatanggalin ko na dun sa bahay para magulat sila. Para magulat silang lahat.
Tingnan mo. Mas maganda yung idea na yan.
I'm so happy, Mommy! This
Okay,
is
don't move, don't move.
This is all I want to be. This is all I want.
Other side.
This is all I want. Mommy, you made my dream true.
Come true.
Come true.
Baka maiyak ka pa sa sobrang happy.
Of course, yes. Pero sa bahay, kasi nahiya.
Naiyak ka.
Hi, vlog. I'm gonna show you my vlogger.
Don't move, don't move.
My hair is short now. Mommy's cutting it.
Don't move, don't move.
I'm gonna show you my vlogger later night. Later when I'm magugulat si Dad pag nakita niya. Magugulat si Dad pag nakita niya akong short hair. Pag bibidyo ko lang. Kasi bibidyo ko lang. Mami, sit down.
Not yet. Don't move. Diyan lang. Sige, sige.
I'm ready for my eyes.
Wait lang.
Ay, totoo yun. Sabi na, madikit yun. Nakala ko sila nagpakalokohan lang. Ano ba yun? Napapasa mo naman, papakita kayo sa akin na parang...
Ha? Bakit lang? I'm sorry.
This is my best time ever. Right. Ang init ng buhok ko. Buti, Mami, marunong ka pala maggupit. Buti naman.
Ano po?
Buti naman, Mami, marunong ka
Ay,
maggupit.
sit lang.
Yay! Mama, mahaba pa yung buhok ko ngayon. Maiksi na po. Magugulat sila. Lahat. Wow, fancy. Kagaya na po ako kay Sofia. Ginaya ko po si Sofia. Magugulat si Sofia kasi short hair na din ako. Mag-besties talaga kami.
Tingin sa camera. Smile ka.
Hi, baby. Hi, vloggers.